We have removable lenses on the Hero 10 and the Hero 9, and this one just pops on right there and twists into place. And now you have a macro lens. And it's a lot more convenient than the other ones, but how good does it look? So it works. It does a great job getting up close and personal with the objects, but a couple of things that I did notice is one, it disables hyper smooth kind of, meaning it's just kind of smooth. It's not hyper smooth and it's not no hyper smooth. It's just like a little bit more than no hyper smooth. So if you were wanting to get more macro lens movement shots, you probably want to get a gimbal, or you can get a remote controlled dolly like this, or you can get a slide pod like this. I will say you need to find the Goldilocks zone, not too close, not too far, just right there in the middle. So now I want to show you what it's like when it's not on and when it is on, so you can actually see how good of a job it does. Is that it works. And if I had more Legos, it'd be a lot more fun to get more shots with that. It's just another cool piece of gear that you could add to your GoPro toolbox.